Hi guys, and welcome back to Coupon with the Lady. I did do a haul Sunday night, May the 20th, for this week's CVS sales. I had a few issues, which I'll talk about as we get into the deal, but my deals ended up with a cost of $11.97 out of pocket. And I did bring home 14 ECBs and triggered another 6 ECBs in beauty, plus a free hair color coupon that would be triggered as well. And I got $3 back from Saving Star, so altogether it was less than $10 out of pocket for everything. So I was really tickled with that deal. That makes every product you see here only 63 cents a piece. So let's get straight into the deals. I am going to show you one of my receipts, but because of some of the issues that I had, I'm not going to go through all of these receipts. Y'all see there's like 100 receipts. We had to return some things and start over. So I will show you the cash card deal receipt. It went just fine. So speaking of the cash card deal, let's do that. First and foremost, it is when you spend $30, you'll get back 10 ECBs. Now for my cash card deal, what I did was bought 2 of the Simple Face wipes. These are the 25 wipe packages. And then I bought these 2 foaming, this one is a foaming cleanser, and it is, what is that, 5 fluid ounces. And then this one is the moisturizing facial wash, and it is 5 fluid ounces. So I was hoping if I gave them one of the Simple Wipes and then one of the cleansers that it would make the cleansers the half price. But the register is not ringing up that way. I did give them the wipes first and then the cleansers, but it still took the half off of the wipes themselves. So I think what the register is doing is taking half off of the cheaper items that you get. This worked out for me okay, even though it did do that. I had a cashier that was nice enough to take the full amount off of my coupons that we could. So the Simple Face wipes were $3.99 each. And the one of the cleansers was $8.79 and the other cleanser was $7.99. I think this was the $7.99 one. Then I picked up one of the Persil. You see it peeking out back here. And I picked up one of the All Power Cores. This brought my total to $32.74. Now, these 4 items right here did equal out to $24.76. So I was able to use my 6 off of 24 red box coupon for this deal. I also had the $2 off one Persil printable coupon, and I had $1 off of one all coupon. I had the printable, but they're also supposed to be in the 520 inserts. So either way you go is fine. You would pay $7.76 for this deal and get back a $10 cash card. Now I didn't have any ECBs coming in, but I did have one $10 cash card that I got last week. So I paid for this deal with that cash card, and I got the $10 cash card back, and I still had $2.24 on my card from last week. And that's what started my second transaction. So for my second transaction, I started out by picking up the Eclipse gum. Now this is the 18-piece one. It is on sale for 99 cents, and when you buy one, you get 99 cents back, making that completely free. The next thing I did was the hair color deal. Now, my Ibotta does not show the rebates available any longer. If your Ibotta still has them, that's an even better deal because those were some fabulous rebates on Ibotta, I'm telling you. But just as it stands, I bought 2 of the Clairol hair color. I had one of the $6 off 2 internet printable coupons still that had not expired. It didn't expire until the 2nd. I paid $8 and got back 4 ECBs for that. That makes that about $2 a box. And then I picked up the CoverGirl. Now, on my Get Ready With Me deals, they showed the continuous wear lipstick for CoverGirl for the deal. However, my CVS was out of the lipstick, but that worked out okay because these tricolor CoverGirl, I don't even know what these are called, but they are the triple eyeshadows, the triples. They were only $5.99. I bought 2 of them. I used 2 of the $2 off 1 CoverGirl printables. Now, they were also in the $4.29 Smart Source if you didn't have any printables. I also used a $3 off 12 Cosmetics Redbox coupon, making those $4.98, and I got back 5 ECBs. That made those completely free. The next thing I did was the Venus razors. We love it when we get a good razor deal, and I got 2 good razor deals this time. So the Venus razors, as we all know, are $8.99 a piece. They are on sale. When you buy 2, you'll get back 6 ECBs. I used 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the $4.29 P&G. There's supposed to also be some available in the 5/6 Retail Me Not. I paid $7.98 and got back 6 ECBs, making those only 99 cents each. So my second transaction would have been $21.95, but I did use the $12.24 from the gift cards. That left me paying only $9.71 and getting back 16 ECBs. Now, I held on to 4 of those ECBs. I started my third transaction. In my third transaction, I picked up these 2 Schick razors, the Schick Quattro and the Schick Extreme 3. Now, this worked out really well. They are on sale. Buy one, get one half off to begin with. When you spend $15, you'll get back 5 ECBs. So the first one, this one, was $10.29. The second one rang up at $4.49. They're normally right at $9. They're $8.99. Then I used a $7 off of 2 printable coupon from coupons.com that I had. I also had a $3 off 15 and eraser Redbox coupon. That left me paying $4.78 and getting back the 5 ECBs. So that made those completely free. Now, after that, I picked up the Neutrogena deal. Neutrogena is on sale. When you buy any foundation, powder, blush, or concealer, you'll get a free lip or eye product up to $10.49. Now, I got this revitalizing lip balm for $9.79. And then, of course, this one actually cost, what did it cost? $10.99. I had the $4 off 1 internet printable coupon. That was from coupons.com. And that was on any face product. And then I had the $2.50 off 1 any lip product. That left me getting both of these for only $4.79 or $2.39 each, and it applies to beauty. Now, both of these won't apply to beauty because the lip product rings up at $0, so that won't apply to beauty. But the face skin clearing complexion perfector, that will apply to beauty. And then the last thing in this transaction was on the Rimmel products. Now, the Rimmel products are spend $10 and get back 5 ECBs. I still had one of the Rimmel Internet Printable coupons for the eye product to get $3 off one, and one for the face product to get $3 off of one. So that ended up with me spending $4.68 and getting back 5 ECBs. That made this deal free, plus a 32-cent money maker. And this actually is an eye product. This is that Scandal Eyes eyeshadow stick stuff. Anyway, the coupons that gave me problems. The Rimmel gave me problems, but only because we kept trying to put the face coupon with the eye product and the eye coupon with the face product. Once we separated it out and we got it right, it went through just fine. The Venus, we just forgot to scan the CRT, so we had to go back and redo that deal completely. He refunded it and redid everything. Let's see. Oh, the CoverGirl. The printable CoverGirl coupons beeped. And Patrick was nice enough to push that coupon through for me. So I had issues. That's why I'm not showing you all the different receipts on this. What I am going to show you right quick is going to be the cash card deal. I'll show you this receipt. Joseph Clint was my clerk. He has been amazing and was so patient and helped me get everything to work right. I just love him to death. Thank you, Clint. And you can see it goes down. I had no problems at all with these coupons. My total ended up being $6.24. I used the gift card to pay that, so it did not cost me anything at all. Now, I don't know. You see there where it says simple $2? Apparently, I had a send a card coupon loaded on there that came off also. I'm not sure why it did. So mine does show a little bit cheaper than what most people's would be, simply because it did that. I don't know why. But altogether, my trip totals are $151.45 worth of products. I paid $11.97 out of pocket. My price per item is 63 cents. I brought home 14 ECBs, plus triggered $72.41 worth of beauty ECBs, and $3 from Saving Star. My Saving Star is going to be on the Purcell and the All. I also triggered a free hair color because of the when you buy 7 you get a free hair color coupon. And that's it. It was really, even though it was a frustrating trip, I have to admit, at least it went well in the end, and I have some fabulous clerks at CVS that I really want to say thank you to. I hope everybody had a wonderful trip yesterday or has a wonderful trip this week. If y'all find some fabulous deals that I didn't, feel free to drop them below. And don't forget, as always, I will have this haul over on my site at www.couponwiththelady.com. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.